and we back with another banger.
What's going on, Jew World? Back with another video. Right now, this video's on putting these LEDs in my car. As you can see, it's supposed to go all around here and stuff, and have the LEDs and stuff, and get it going. So right now, we in the beginning stages. So we got this right here. We got a few more wires here in the back. And I'm gonna try to make it as descriptive as possible, bro. Cause when I was looking at other YouTube videos of how to get it done, people they was just saying like how they was just talking about how hard it was, or they got straight to the point. They weren't really giving you no specific guidance on how to do. So I'm gonna try and do that. So right now we getting this long piece here. All right, bro, my bad. So right now what we're doing, we getting the skinny wire and putting inside the big clear one, and you just push through. You just keep pushing through. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done doing the whole thing. What's going, y'all? As you can see, it's nighttime now. Bruh, like, it's not hard, like, putting the wiring through. Like, bruh, it's not hard, but it's, like, very, very tedious, bruh. Like, you see, I've been out here for hours. I eventually had to get my mom to come out here and help me out. You know what I'm saying? Put the wire through. But once you get the wire through, you wanna, as you can see, they give you this so you can help, like, kind of open it. And
What the fuck is wrong with the cameras, man?
Like,
show the angles right.
I'm gonna go around.
Cameras are literally off.
I don't know if you can see or not. Alright. As you can see, stick it in here. I'm gonna go all the way around. Go all the way through the dashboard right here. Come through here. And then bring it down. Come through here. Bring it all through here. And then, you know what I'm saying, bring it in the glove department where I can put the put this thing right here for the power. Alright, y'all, I got it set up hours later, of course. This is what it's looking like, bro. This joint's tough, bro. That's a vibe for real. So what I'm finna do now is give y'all a brief recap of how everything go. First, you wanna start off with the skinny wire. You wanna put it through this thing right here. You just keep going till you eventually, you know what I'm saying, you at the length that you need or the length that you want. And then once you got that, this helps you out a lot. You wanna get this and kind of squeeze it through the cracks that's in your car and stuff. And once you get it in there, you wanna to make the light pop up. Like here, look, I'll show you. I got some more in here. These things, the little metal tips. You want to get the skinny wire. You want to leave some at the end so you can put the skinny wire inside of the light. And when you do that, you feel what I'm saying? So like that's how you put it together. And then it's a screw on the side. You just keep screwing it so the wire don't come out, of course. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Sorry if this one kind of like low tone, bro. This joint it was very tedious, bro. It wasn't hard, it was tedious. And I'm tired. It was going on 12 o'clock. But yeah, I'm probably gonna, you know what I'm saying, when I wake up in the morning on the way to school, I might just show y'all like a little morning POV, or like a POV drive with the lights. See how y'all like that. But that's enough for tonight. I'll catch y'all later. Good morning, y'all. It's the next morning. I'm finna be headed to school. I guess I give y'all a cold start for the one time. So I didn't actually get to show y'all the exact box I used. I'll put the Amazon link below, but it looked like this. It come with all the wires and stuff. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, it's the next morning. Hold on, let me go ahead and turn it on. Bro, overall, like once you get it all done and out the way, bro, I'm satisfied with the results, bro. This done a fire. I mess with it, but I decided that I was gonna do like a POV on the way to school, so y'all just watch me go to school, bro. It did not be the end of the video. I got you, my nigga. I got you, twin. Shit. See, bro? This nigga's like in the front. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he holding up the speed lanes, man. Like, niggas gotta get to school. Alright, y'all, this will be the end of the vlog. I'll catch y'all boys to the next vid. Y'all be safe.